Good morning. We're looking at Playa Paraiso today. Very nice bee house that is up for sale. It says on the third row. So you've got loads of sun, as you can see. You've got this tiled patio area, which gives you less maintenance. This is a fruit tree. The owner has also done the shower when the kids come in. They just take the shower here, so no sand comes into the actual house. Many of our clients have done outside barbecue, and the beauty is you've got this covered terrace that can also be as you can glass it in or glaze it in with glass curtains, so you have an additional room. But there's plenty of space in the actual house. Sliding doors to come in. You've got two entrances to the actual house. One directly through the garage. We're going to see it in a second. Dining area, living room, open plan kitchen with granite top, gas and electric, hob oven, fan extraction, new dish washer, and the washing machine is also new. So from here, this is an absolute plus for these houses. You've got a covered terrace, a covered garage, which and it's also secured because it's gated. It's very few of the houses that come with the garage space. When you arrive with your shopping, straight into the kitchen, straight into the fridge. The spiral staircase is newly done, redone. We're going to go downstairs. They've looked into these ventilation, so the property is always breathing. Got one bathroom with a washing machine here. The boiler is a 100-liter boiler. Walk-in shower, nice size. The third bedroom. In this room, we only have a fan. This is the only room that doesn't have the air conditioning. And as storage, they are using this part. We're going upstairs again. Main level, living area, where we came through the patio. And we're going upstairs. So originally, the bee houses have two rooms in this level. The owners considered that they were too narrow, so they rather had one big. Bathroom again, with walk-in shower. Most of the renovation, 99% of the renovation, is done by the owner himself. He is a builder. Access to the terrace. The nice thing about phase two is also that they're not so tight together. Phase two and three is more open, where phase one is more as a village with small, narrow streets in between them. And here we've got the openness. Behind those pines, you've got the pool, which is heated in autumn and spring. Air conditioning unit, hot and cold, brand new. Going upstairs again, third level, and very nice bedroom with some partial sea views between the houses. Very light. The wardrobe can be removed. You have a window behind this wardrobe, but the owner didn't want so much light coming in and rather have the wardrobe. You've got the line of sea. It's a beautiful day today, July. I'm going to leave a link below with the pictures and the description of the house. For any additional questions, feel free to contact me. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe. Have a great day.